The first thing that I think of when you say breaking barriers in all of STEM, there isn't a large women representation.
A lot of young girls in particular are swayed away from the sciences because of the stereotype.
More and more women are wanting to get involved in physics and math, and it looks really promising for the future.
When I think of breaking barriers, I'm thinking about my mom.
My mom. I think the stigma around women having children, working women having children, women choosing not to work and have children instead, it's like a no-win situation.
The barrier that I think we still need to break is being accepted and appreciated in professional environments.
What it feels like to walk into a room and have everyone there disappointed to see you.
We still have a gap.
For a long time, women have been told that we can't do the things that we love.
People telling girls that they can't achieve everything that they want to achieve.
Gotta get rid of the perception that only a particular kind of person can do it.
Kicking butt and doing things that people say women aren't supposed to do.
We need more of us to stand up, to use our voice, and to fight.
Women are breaking barriers in every single aspect of our lives.
Black women or other women of color or trans women. These people whose voices you don't usually hear from.
For too long, women have not been heard or believed if they dared to speak their truth to the power of those men. But their time is up.
Time's up.
We are here, we have our voices, and we are not going anywhere.
And it starts in school.
I'm thinking about Malala Yousafzai, who fought for the ability for young girls to go and attend school.
I'm here to stand up for their rights.
I feel that it's really important for us to stick together.
And doing that work does eventually come to fruition.
I can smell the airs of change. We are the generation that is going to experience the transformation.
We no longer live in the blank white spaces at the edge of print. We no longer live in the gaps between the stories. We are the story in print, and we are writing the story ourselves.
And to all the little girls who are watching this, never doubt that you are valuable and powerful and deserving of every chance and opportunity in the world to pursue and achieve your own dreams.